Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love the warm, rich sound of vinyl records, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best vinyl record players that bring together classic charm and modern functionality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned collector, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Seasonlife R608 vinyl record player. The Seasonlife R608 vinyl record player brings together the charm of vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a versatile addition to any music lover's collection. Its design is both stylish and nostalgic, making it an ideal gift for family and friends, whether for birthdays, holidays, or simply to relive cherished musical memories. The record player serves as a gateway for beginners in music, offering a tactile and engaging way to explore vinyl records. The record player serves as a gateway for beginners in music, offering a tactile and engaging way to explore vinyl records. This turntable accommodates 3 record sizes and supports 3 playback speeds, giving users full flexibility to enjoy their entire vinyl collection. The balanced tone arm with a lifting arm ensures precise handling and smooth playback, preserving the integrity of each record. Beyond traditional vinyl playback, the R608 also features wireless input, allowing music from mobile phones and other devices to fill the room with ease. The belt-driven anti-vibration system, complemented by a spring-based turntable base, provides effective shock absorption to enhance sound quality while protecting records from unnecessary wear. A removable dust cover safeguards the vinyl from dust and scratches, extending the life of your collection. Equipped with built-in dynamic stereo speakers, the Seasonlife R608 delivers clear sound for everyday listening without the need for additional equipment. For those seeking enhanced audio performance, it also supports external powered speakers via RCA output. Additionally, aux and Bluetooth playback options offer multiple ways to enjoy music in a convenient, all-in-one setup. Easy to set up and user-friendly, this turntable is tailored for beginners and enthusiasts alike, blending classic appeal with modern audio versatility. This combination of vintage charm, flexible playback options, and modern connectivity makes the Seasonlife R608 vinyl record player a captivating centerpiece for any music space. Number 4 is the Udreamer UD012 vinyl record player. The Udreamer UD012 vinyl record player blends classic style with modern functionality, offering music lovers a versatile and elegant audio experience. Its dual speakers are carefully designed to deliver full, rich sound, ensuring an immersive listening experience whether at home or on the go. The portable design adds convenience, allowing you to enjoy music anywhere. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, the UD012 enables wireless streaming from your mobile devices, making it easy to play your favorite songs without the hassle of cables. This advanced version of Bluetooth ensures a faster, more stable connection, giving you seamless access to music at any moment. The vinyl player supports 3 adjustable speeds: 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, making it compatible with 7, 10, and 12 records. It also includes a 45 RPM adapter, expanding its versatility for a wide range of vinyl collections. A belt drive mechanism ensures smooth playback, while the auto-stop switch protects records by pausing the turntable automatically at the end of each play. Designed for simplicity, the UD012 features RCA ports for easy speaker connections and a USB port to expand your listening options beyond vinyl. Its retro-inspired design, with aged textures and vintage fonts, creates a nostalgic atmosphere. The soft, elegant color palette and classic aesthetic make it not just a record player, but also a stylish decorative piece that evokes memories of times gone by. Whether for daily listening, introducing someone to vinyl, or as a thoughtful gift for birthdays or holidays, the Udreamer UD012 offers a harmonious combination of vintage charm and modern audio technology. Coming in at number 3 is the Tanlanin TE-2032A vinyl record player. The Tanlanin TE-2032A vinyl record player brings a harmonious blend of vintage charm and modern functionality, designed to captivate both music enthusiasts and style-conscious users. Its elegant white exterior, accented with rose gold details, evokes the nostalgic appeal of classic gramophones, making it not just a music device but a stylish centerpiece for living rooms or bedrooms. The premium finish and retro aesthetic seamlessly complement contemporary decor, offering a visual and auditory delight. This record player supports a versatile 3-speed belt-driven playback system, accommodating 33, 45, and 78 RPM LPs across 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch formats. A removable dust cover ensures your records and turntable stay protected, while convenient built-in mute and repeat buttons, along with a digital clock and alarm, enhance daily usability. Audio performance is elevated by integrated stereo speakers, delivering rich, immersive sound without the need for additional equipment. LED color lights add a dynamic atmosphere, ideal for casual listening, social gatherings, or quiet relaxation. Modern connectivity is ensured through Bluetooth wireless streaming, allowing seamless pairing with smartphones and tablets to enjoy digital tracks alongside vinyl records. The TE-2032A also offers USB digital recording, making it easy to preserve your vinyl collection in digital formats via USB or TF card. This feature ensures that cherished albums can be enjoyed on the go while maintaining the warmth of analog sound. Multiple input options including RCA, headphone, and aux jacks, combined with a crisp, multi-language LCD display and clock, make this turntable both versatile and user-friendly. Compact yet stylish, the Tanlanin TE-2032A merges nostalgic vibes with contemporary convenience, creating a music experience that appeals to all generations. Number 2 is the Syitren Paron vinyl record player. The Syitren Paron vinyl record player is a versatile all-in-one audio solution designed for both vinyl enthusiasts and modern music lovers. Capable of spinning at 33 and 45 RPM, it supports 7, 10, and 12 vinyl records, allowing you to enjoy a broad range of your favorite albums. Beyond traditional vinyl playback, the Paron turntable offers wireless streaming through its built-in Bluetooth receiver, compatible with iPhone, Android, smartphones, tablets, and PCs. An aux-in port adds flexibility, while the integrated amplifier enables connection to externally powered speakers for a richer audio experience. Equipped with a magnet-type AT3600 cartridge and an adjustable tone arm counterweight featuring an anti-skating system, the Paron ensures smooth stylus movement, accurate tracking, and minimal distortion. This attention to detail reproduces authentic sound, capturing the warmth and nuance of vinyl records. Its combination of turntable, preamp, and speakers makes it easy for anyone to use, even beginners. The unit automatically stops 3 minutes after a record ends, while the tone arm remains in place, maintaining simplicity without sacrificing functionality. Syitren also provides dedicated technical support for any questions or issues. The Pantron vinyl record player's retro design, accented with modern functionality, makes it a stylish addition to any living room, bedroom, or office. Its vintage charm, paired with contemporary features, creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding with music. With its combination of classic aesthetics and versatile playback options, the Pantron serves as an ideal gift for music lovers, collectors, or anyone who appreciates a seamless blend of old-school charm and modern convenience. This record player delivers a unique listening experience, blending nostalgia with technological innovation, making it a centerpiece for both music enjoyment and interior decor. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Onebyone vinyl record player. The Onebyone vinyl record player combines classic design with modern functionality, offering a sophisticated listening experience for vinyl enthusiasts. Crafted from wood and metal, its layered construction and streamlined corner design create a stylish and atmospheric presence in any room, making it as visually appealing as it is functional. Designed as an all-in-one solution, the turntable supports 33 and 45 RPM speeds, allowing playback of all standard vinyl sizes. Its integrated speaker can also stream music from other devices via Bluetooth or an aux port, while the built-in amplifier allows connection to external powered speakers, giving flexibility to suit any audio setup. At the heart of the turntable is a magnet-type cartridge paired with an adjustable counterweight, ensuring precise balance and rich, warm sound reproduction. This combination minimizes noise and distortion, delivering an authentic and immersive listening experience. Paired with the Audio-Technica stylus featuring a diamond tip for high-definition tracking, every groove of your records is captured with clarity and depth, translating to detailed and accurate audio playback. The Onebyone vinyl record player goes beyond vinyl, supporting Bluetooth streaming from iPhones, Android devices, tablets, PCs, and USB MP3 players. This makes it a versatile hub for enjoying both classic records and modern digital music. Whether for the dedicated vinyl collector or someone seeking an elegant audio centerpiece, this turntable blends timeless craftsmanship with contemporary convenience, creating a seamless bridge between analog charm and digital versatility. Its thoughtful combination of design, technology, and sound quality positions it as more than just a record player. It's an experience that elevates music listening into a refined, sensory enjoyment.